Hello there, this is Mr. Rusty, and today I'm cooking some very delicious bacon inside of my trusty toaster oven. There are multiple ways to cook bacon. You can cook it in an oven, or in my case, a toaster oven. You can cook it on the stovetop with a skillet, frying pan, whatever you want to call it. You can cook it in the microwave. But please be warned that if you use the microwave, even though it will cook things a lot faster, the texture will be a little off. But if you don't mind the texture, you only care about taste, then the microwave method is okay for you. Or if you just really don't have much time at all, then the microwave method is okay for you. The toaster oven method here, I usually cook it 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. I like my bacon nice and crispy. So if you like your bacon a little less crispy, then obviously cook it for less time. After I'm done cooking the bacon, I take it out of the toaster oven, obviously. I remove the bacon and I eat it, and it's delicious. But on the pan that's in there right now, I actually leave the bacon grease on it. And later on that day, I actually use that bacon grease to cook a piece of chicken in this very oven. So instead of greasing the pan's already been greased. And another little trick is I put foil over the pan. So that way when I'm fully done using it, all I have to do is lift up the foil, crumple it up, and throw it away. And it's a hassle-free cleanup. Sometimes a little teeny hole in the foil and it kind of leaks through. But the pan is so small it easily fits in the dishwasher. And that's the main reason why I prefer doing the toaster oven method. But feel free to cook bacon any way you like. Feel free to cook your chicken any way you like. But I enjoy having my chicken with a slight hint of bacon. And from personal experience, when I have bacon and chicken throughout the week, I have a tendency to lose more weight. I don't know why that is. Maybe I have a tendency to snack on bacon a little more, and the snacking on bacon prevents me from having one too many carbs. As many of you know, I have been following the guidelines of the 100, where basically you're entitled 100 sugar calories, which is 25 carbohydrates, or I should say 25 carbohydrates that could potentially have a rise in the blood sugar. Anything that is on the freebies list is fair game, and you can eat as much as you like, within reason, obviously. So this is my brunch, I guess. I will be having the chicken later. Feel free to stay tuned, and I'll let you in on how things are going. And let me know how things are going with you. Are you doing the 100? Are you doing a different diet plan? Let me know what you're doing. Personally, I feel that it doesn't really matter what diet plan you're doing as long as it works for you. But just so you know, the diet plans that have a tendency to work the best are the ones that cut down on the sugar, the wheat-based foods, and the starches. How you go about doing that is up to you. But if you greatly reduce those 3 food items, you should have little problem cutting the weight. Thanks again for watching. I wish you luck with your personal fitness and weight loss goals. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.